McManus has 5 minutes.
First of all, I would like to extend my condolences to the family of Daniel McManus. Like others, I met them out on the street outside this house when they were exhausted from searching for him. And I think we should all be conscious. One of 20 children who died in the care of the HSE is someone that I think makes clear what we're talking about when we're talking about protecting children under our Constitution. And I think it is appropriate, if not poignant, that the deputy presenting this tonight is Deputy Brendan Howlin, since he was Minister for Health when Ms Justice Catherine McGuinness presented her groundbreaking report, which proposed a constitutional amendment back in 1993. And I think it's worth reminding the House that before and after 1993, we have had 3 referendums dealing with the rights of the unborn child. This country has been convulsed with debates about zygotes and the morning after pill and the pregnancies of poor, young, tragic girls. 3 times we've had that debate. We have never had a constitutional referendum about the rights of born children, children who are part of our community, children who are at risk from whatever quarter. Now that is negligence. And Minister, I would really urge you to step outside the box and think about what's happening here tonight. We have an opportunity to live up even to the recommendations and the words of your predecessor, Minister Lenihan, who said back in 2007, the time for oratory is over. We now need to present the Irish people with the constitutional referendum or the amendment that they can vote on. And I want to compliment the committee that put in superhuman effort to deliver for this Oireachtas, to deliver for the Irish people, an amendment that actually captured all the complex issues relating to the protection of children. They've done this country great service. It's our turn now, and it is our turn right across this chamber. We can't do it solely as members of the opposition. I welcome the fact that this is a joint proposal, or a joint private member's motion. And I don't think we should make a political football out of this either, and I don't think anybody wants to. But is it the case that our government is so sclerosed or so scared that they cannot agree? Because think of the prize. If this is agreed across all the parties, think of the strength that it gives the commitment to protect our children this year in 2010, that we can go to the people and persuade and convince just how important it is that all of us have come together to ensure that the committee's work is not put away for another day, but that we actually act on it, take the initiative and ensure that we can have a debate about the rights of children who are in our community, who are at risk as we speak, very often within families. Let's remember there's a lot of attention about the church and state involvement in brutality and barbarism. But the biggest area of danger for many children is within families. This is our chance to help those children. And I would urge the government to just move beyond any kind of political point scoring here and take on board there is genuine intent to ensure that we can present the Irish people with an amendment that is actually going to make a really significant difference to the safety of our children.
Yeah,